This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
I'm so bored.
What's wrong, Sam?
I'm so bored, Cece. I want to go outside and play. I feel like a prisoner in here.
But you are ill, Sammy. You need to recover.
I just want to breathe in fresh air. Feel the sun on my face. Pretty, please? Come on, Sue. Make me smile. Make me feel alive. Please, Susie. Pretty,
Fine,
please?
let's do some crafting. Okay, what are we gonna do first? I have a great idea, and it all starts with this balloon.
I love balloons. I am gonna go get one.
And I'll place the neck of the balloon through this tube.
Sue, this is harder than I thought.
Now let's fill the balloon with slime.
Sue? That's not slime, if you know what I mean.
Ooh, Sam!
I told you to use a tissue!
I'm going to travel around the world. I'll see you in 80 days. Or less.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Oh no! Help! There's a hole in my balloon!
Come on, don't panic. Use an anti-stress toy like me. Sam, are you okay?
I'll take a cab next time.
Phew, I was so worried about you. Oh, this is so relaxing.
That's a great craft, Sue, but I want more! More!
Of course you do, Sam. I know. I have just the right idea. It's gonna look awesome. Done. There you go.
Sue, take this off me! I'm scared! Ugh!
I got you, Sammy. But we need this for our magical unicorn.
Sue, I wanted to help. Did I do everything right?
Yes, thank you. Give me just a few seconds to finish here, okay?
Wow! 2 unicorns! It's like all my dreams are coming true. I don't want this moment to end. Faster, Princess Sparkles.
Hold on. Where is your unicorn? I need it.
Uh-oh. Hey, little unicorn, look what I have. Come to Papa. Oh, yeah, like that. Come on.
Oh, yeah. Wait, we forgot to fill it with cotton, but I don't have any.
Come a bit closer, my magical friend. We are almost there. Come on. Yeah.
Sorry, buddy. I have to borrow some of your soft, squishy filling. Once that's done, I can seal this paper unicorn completely. Just like this. It feels great. What do you think, Sam?
Wow, it's even better than I thought. Thanks, Sue. I want to play with it right now. Oh, my precious.
So, are we done here? I'm going out.
Oh, no, we're just getting started. You need to make more toys for me or I will get bored again.
I knew you were going to say that. I've got it. You'll love it.
I'll be the judge of that, Sue. But no pressure.
Okay, how about something a little bit different? I'm a real pro!
One of your best work.
Thanks, Sam. Wait, are you being serious? You really like it?
Of course. How could I not?
I don't think a painted cube will keep Sam happy, so let's make it even better. Voila! How do you like it now? Look! It can tell your mood today. Whoosh! This cube is so much fun. You can do so many things with it. Want to play a game? Here you go.
Whoa! This is so cool! I want to play with it right now, Sue! Give me that! Come on! Sue, all that hard work has made me hungry.
I know, me too. How about some delicious watermelon? This card will be my template for the watermelon slice. I'm going to leave a little extra material around the sides so we could sew it up.
I'm patiently waiting here, Sue. Could you move a little bit faster?
Don't worry, Sammy, I am almost done here. This green is the perfect color for the rind. But where is the needle?
The service in this restaurant is terrible. I'm not leaving a tip.
Don't be so dramatic, Sammy. Better be patient.
I guess I'm not eating that. We'd better order a pizza.
Yeah, it's not edible. But this is the cutest watermelon you've ever seen. It only needs more details. Sam, check this out. I am pretty sure you're gonna like this toy.
So adorable. I will call you Walter. Sue is going to make a toy for you, too.
Another toy? Fine. But I'm doing this just for Walter. Whoa, so shiny.
Walter says you're doing a great job, Susie.
Thanks, but wait till you see this! This is the best poppet of all times.
It's bowling time. And it's a strike. Yay!
You should always be careful with hot glue.
Sue, I lost my straw.
First, you were playing. Now you want to have a drink. And I was working during all this time.
Let me see. Wow, you did great. I could look at that thing whole day. I'm so happy. I'm dancing. Woohoo! Oh, yeah.
Looking good, Sam. I love it. This will totally get millions of likes. Yay! Oh no! My phone!
I'm so sorry, Sue. Is it okay?
I think so. But I'd better put a case on it to keep it safe. First, I will cover my phone in plastic wrap. There we go!
It's good that your phone is already protected. Huh.
Oh, it's gross, Sam. Cut it out. Okay, where was I? I've cut out this shape from white foam paper, and now I'll place it around my phone. Now I'll just add more colors. Wow, it turned out really cool, but we're not done yet.
It's looking like a rainbow. I wonder if there will be a pot of gold next to it.
Haha, it looks good already, but we can make it even better. I'll make dimples, just like I did with the fidget spinner. Whoa, this is so relaxing.
Woohoo! I can jump here all day. So much fun. Let's make more crafts, Susie.
Sure, let me just call for a backup. Samantha, hi! I need your help.
And once again, hello everyone! Sue and Samantha will show you how to build another fidget toy. Love origami? Give us a thumbs up! And now, let's see how you two will cope with the obstacles!
Hey, that's not fair, Sammy.
Whoa! Ouch!
Did you fell into your own trap? Care to help me?
I have already folded like a gazillion of origami.
Someone here likes to brag. Come on, this side now.
And I can also use different tools. Look!
Am I the only person who's actually working?
Can't you see all this folding?
Take a look at this, Sam. What do you say?
Hey, I brought you more details. I'm like an origami sensei.
Hey, Origami Sensei! Where did you bury my... Oh, there it is. Let's start assembling. Uh-huh.
And I'll work with mine by myself. Here we go. Uh-huh. One more fold. And like this.
Show me! Now! Ah! Help me! It's a snake! Ah! Ouch! Not fair!
Ow!
Oops! Sammy, you scared her off. And I've sketched out a little avocado on this napkin. Look, an ordinary paper napkin and a cute character.
Then you need to strengthen it with adhesive tape. I'm stuck!
It's okay, Sammy. I'll just take a new piece of it. The idea is good, though. Give me just one more second.
I'll take it from here. Uh-huh. These are cut out, which means we should put them together.
What's happening? Is it snow?
I'm sorry, Sam. I just couldn't resist it.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm gonna give it all to you, Susan.
Well done, Sammy. Now we can fill up our toy. Let me just seal the opening. And done. The stress-relieving toy is ready.
Let me try it. Uh-oh. Thanks, Sue. It's so cool. Oh, yeah. It really does help.
Oh, you're right. It's really good to hold it in your hands.
Okay, Sammy, this is the last toy, and I know you're going to love it.
No way. Is that a hat? Let me try it on. Does it suit me?
No, these will be pineapple popping parts.
Oh, sounds interesting.
First, we'll glue them into the cardboard and foam paper base. Like this. Let me speed up a little. Uh-huh, now we're talking. Now we'll glue exactly the same part to the other side. Will you help me out, Sam?
Of course. Now we need to close it with a side piece, like the real poppets have.
Hey, I think something is missing.
Sam, go away. Everything is in its place. See?
Uh-huh. I think you forgot about the green top. Let me grow it for you. Quickly! You! Grow faster! Uh-huh, like this. This is exactly what I was talking about.
So cool!
Phew, what a day. I'm exhausted, and I'm ill, too.
You did great, Sue, but you don't look so good.
I think I've caught your cold. But at least we've got a lot of toys to play with. Where are we going?
I hope you will get better soon. And I'm off. See you.
Are you kidding me? This is not fair.
All right, inspection time, Bucky. That's 5 good ones there, 5 slightly cracked ones here.
Guys, anything we can do to help?
No, thank you, Lilac. Bucky and I do this every fall. Count our bowls to make sure we have enough for winter.
That's because we make more soups when it's cold, so every bowl is precious.
Whoops. Maybe we could use a little help.
Oh, what's going on? Can I help too? Sure, Moss. We're just counting bowls for Thorn. Oh, I'll get it. Look, there. One that's not broken. Thorn, I'm so sorry.
Accidents happen, Thistle. We make these bowls from acorn caps, which are normally very strong, but these bowls are old and break easily. Just ask Bucky.
I could go gather some more if you tell me where to go.
That would be nice, thank you. The best acorn caps are from the great oak, the biggest, tallest tree in the whole park. Come on, Bucky.
The tallest tree? I'm not really fond of heights.
Whoa! What's been happening here?
Never mind this mess. Thistle just had the brilliant idea to go and collect more acorn bowls for Thorn, and I'm going with her. I want to make it up to Thorn, but I'm a little afraid of high places.
That sounds fun. Can I come along?
Of course! Let's go, team!
Hello? Huh? Where is everyone?
Your friends? Oh, they're going to collect acorn bowls somewhere in the park.
Oh, but they said I could join in.
That's so like the Lilybuds, always thinking of themselves. Just go off on your own adventure. That's always been my motto.
Bucky, watch and learn. Brand new bowls deserve a brand new recipe. A new and exciting mixture of...
Seaweed and banana.
No, but I'm sure you'll come up with something.
Potato and raspberry?
Let's look in the vegetable basket for ideas. The basket which someone has left by the door. Again, why don't we leave it there?
Because Ellery always steals it.
That's correct. Twice in the last week he's stolen food from that basket. That chipmunk could just sneak in while our backs are turned.
Now, we just need to add a few more autumn colors to make it perfect for visitors to the park. Hey, Rose! Hi, guys! Where are you off to?
We're on an expedition to climb the Great Oak, the highest in the park.
Maybe I could help here. Make some nice, safe colors. Go closer to the ground, not high up a tree. We better get moving. The Great Oak is far, and we've got to be back in time for dinner.
Claudette, over here! Carson, the king of catching. Hi, Moss.
Hi, Mom. Hi, guys. Have you seen my friends?
Don't think so. We've been busy playing Pass the Pondweed. You have to catch it or you're out.
Hey, Danny. How come you're not playing with your brothers and sisters?
Yeah, I'm not very good at it, so they forgot about me.
Don't worry. My friends seem to have forgotten me, too. Want to come with me on our own adventure?
Yes! Mama, can I go play with Moss?
Of course, dear. Now, make sure you two stay near the pond.
You see, Bucky? If you put the vegetable basket here by the table, then it's as far from that chipmunk's paws as it can be. Beans. That's what it needs.
Right away, Chef Thorne. A clove of garlic, peas. Huh? I could have sworn I just saw beans in here.
Check the cupboard. Hurry up, please. The soup can't wait.
Sure, Chef Thorne. That was lucky. The beans just fell right out into my paw. Guess I'm getting pretty good at this cooking thing, huh, Chef Thorne?
And we need to make sure we're always facing west when we climb the great oak, so the sun won't be in our eyes. We've already been through the safety instructions twice. Yes, but I've just thought up a new list of dangers. Getting scraped by bark, falling into a bird's nest and being fed worms, or being accidentally sat on by a mother bird. Maybe we could gather acorn caps from the ground. No, we need new ones, fresh from the tree. The ones on the ground will be old and brittle like the ones in the buttercup.
Hold on a sec. Has anyone thought about how we're going to get up a tree this tall?
Oh, well, let's go. Can't say we didn't try.
Could use a climbing plant to do the climbing for us. One Virginia creeper coming right up.
Let's go somewhere muddy.
Or somewhere with bugs to eat.
There's a place in the park where dogs play. Maybe we could dig up something to play catch with.
That sounds way better than catching pondweed.
Huh? Falling acorns? Oh, come on, buddy. Let's get out of here.
Oops, dropped one. I'm going to sit down and be safety monitor. Safety monitors always sit down. You okay, Thistle? You know, you probably should have sent someone else if you don't like heights.
Stirring soup with a spoon. It will be ready soon. Stirring soup with a spoon.
Bucky, how's that soup coming along?
Try it and see, Chef Thorne.
You added parsley. Excellent. But something is missing. Peas.
Oh, I forgot to put those in. Huh? Hey, peas are gone.
I bet Ellery sneaked in here and grabbed them while I was out. He's a crafty one, that chipmunk.
He couldn't have. I keep checking the door every few minutes. Huh?
Here are your peas. Bucky, a good chef needs to know everything that's going on in his kitchen, like I do.
Oh, you guys should see this view.
I'd rather not.
Wait a second. A duckling? And is that Moss?
Moss? Why is he out here?
Oh, Moss wanted to join in with us, but we left before he came back from getting that bowl.
Oh, poor Moss. He must think we forgot all about him, which we did.
Don't feel bad. They look like they're having a good time. Oh, no! A puppy is running towards Moss and Danny. Oh, we need to warn them. Climbing down will take too long.
We'll use our emergency poppy chutes. You two can float down in yours, and I can climb down nice and gently.
Poppy shoots? We kind of left ours back at the village.
Honestly, no one listens to me.
I'm sorry. I can use yours if you want.
No, they are fitted for each of us a certain way. I'll just have to be brave. For Moss. Oh, you can do it, Thistle. You can do it, Thistle. Okay, for Moss. Moss, Danny, watch out! Behind you! Take cover, boys! Oh, that was close. What are you two doing all the way out here?
We were both kind of upset at being forgotten.
So we decided to make our own adventure.
Maybe it wasn't the best idea.
It's okay, Moss. Let's go home. I think we've all had enough adventure for one day.
Thistle was incredible. A real action hero. Sorry I didn't listen to you.
That's okay. We're sorry too, Moss. We didn't mean to go off without you. We got caught up in the excitement of the expedition.
We'd never do that on purpose. You know that, right?
Yeah, especially since Thistle faced a big fear to save me. I did have a fun adventure, but it would have been more fun with all my friends.
Chef Thorne, did you just sneeze? Because someone did, and I don't think it was me.
Bucky, you need to relax. Life is beautiful. Everyone loves our new soup. And best of all, because of my keen senses, Ellery never got anywhere near the kitchen.
Enough. I'll never steal food again.